Hello inventors, this is Saurav. In this video, we are going to learn how we can create app that can show the history about country or their places. We can create this app like as a tourist guide app. So let me show you the example of this app. Then we will create this app from scratch. That's our app here. So whenever someone open your app, so it's look like this. There's a map and there's a marker. You can put that marker and that all over the world. Like you can put in the US, you can put in the Australia, you can put anywhere in this all this marker. Now whenever someone click on that marker here, suppose let me just click on that left side marker, like click on that, he can see that is location is Porbandar and Porbandar is city in India, state of Gujarat, and this is the information about that particular city. Now, if you want to know more about that Porbandar or like if you want to know about distance and everything, so just click on that know more. Or if you don't want to know about this, so just click on OK. So you will redirect here. But if you would just go here and click on no more, so you will redirect to the another page and it's look like here Porbandar map and you can see the direction start save. We just redirected that user to the map of that Porbandar. Now you can go back, so just need to press that go back button and you can choose another like marker. See Delhi, no more. You can go here, Delhi like that. So that's the overall app we will create in this video. So here we go. So we are using your MIT App Inventor to create this app. So click on start in your project and in my project name is like tour guide, or you can say anything about this app. Just comment on the video what is the perfect name for this app. So we need here one simple layout, okay, like this vertical arrangement, simple, and make this one with is fill parent and hide is fill parent. Now we need one map here. So in the left side you will find map. We need to just drag and drop this map here and make sure this width and height is fill parent. Height is fill parent like this. You can assign any coordinate here, like let me just show you. I'm using your India center point longitude. So I will just choose this one. Like let me just copy paste this. Go to the MIT App Inventor, paste it like this, and make sure remove the and that things like this, and just enter. And you'll find here this look like this, your map. Now make sure you have to use your zoom level at least 5. Okay, and then your map is look like this. You can make it as a 4 also, so make it more perfect to display like this one. So you can see that's the map of India. Now what I will do here, I will drag and drop some marker here. Suppose we have to show the history of the India, like suppose we have to show the Porbandar, we have to show Delhi or something, Chennai, and all these cities we have to show, and we have to show some unique thing about that city, that particular place. So we just need to drag and drop here like this. So if I just choose like here's a see the Porbandar and that side, so I will mark my that one here like this Porbandar, and you have to just define other marker like this, like simply just call for Delhi. So you can just mark here. Then we can mark in Hyderabad like this. We can mark any more places here. Like let me just mark this as this one. Now that's the 4 points. Now what I will do here, it's simple. Now we need to just hide this vertical arrangement. You can add more mass here, and what you can do here, you can just add all mass in the all over the world. Like you can mark anywhere. Like when you can mark in the US here, like and you can mark in China and you can mark in Australia, anywhere in the world. You just need to mark like this, and you just need to drag and drop that marker in that particular place there. Now what I can do, just hide this vertical arrangement like this, and I need one more layout, simply vertical arrangement here, and make sure width and height is full parent, and I'm going to use your one user interface is web viewer, this one, and one use button, and its button is go back something like this, back button. Make this like design like this, it's simple design. Now whenever we click on any marker, so we can get the information. After getting information, if someone want to know more about that place, then we will redirect them with the location in that web browser. So let me just hide this word arrangement tool and now go to the blog section. But make sure we need one more thing here. That one is in the left side, you will find the notifier. Just drag and drop it here, like this. Now let's go to the blog. So whenever someone click on that marker 1, and we know that the marker 1 is relate to, let me just hide this and make it visible on this. Marker 1, this one is in a Porbandar. So you should know like why we should know about Porbandar. So just search on Google like Porbandar and you should just copy paste that city name and you have to copy that the city description. So go to the MIT App Inventor. We will call here one notifier and it's like this one notifier we will call here, and we need some text. This one message we will just in the title we will add here Porbandar. It means that city name, and in the message we can add some text related to this. Like that's the text I'm going to add here in that message box. And in the button one, we will say like no more, no more, or in the button 2 we can just say okay. So whenever someone click on that board with her, so let me show you how it's work right now. I'm using here this one. See, that's the your app here. Let me just click on here in that marker. See that Porbandar and about that city. Third button, no more, okay, and cancel. You can hide this cancel button, because we don't need it. So make it false like this. Now, whenever someone click on that no more button, so we have to redirect them. Or we can say like, okay, so we are here. Now, how we can do that? So simply just click on notifier and you'll find after choosing this one. So after choosing this one, so we have to redirect them somewhere. So it's simple. Firstly, we will hide this visual vertical arrangement 1 and we will show this one. Another true or make it hide for vertical arrangement 1. 1 hide and 2 is true. Now, after choosing this, so we have to rewrite them. So we need some information like about Porbandar. So what I will do here, I will just open the map, Google Map, and just type here suppose Porbandar, Gujarat, and we need to copy that URL. Go to the MIT App Inventor, and whenever someone click on that after choose, so we will rewrite them to the here. So I'm using here home URL, set home URL, this one here. So after choosing that home URL, we'll redirect it to here. Like drag and drop it here and use it. And copy paste this one. It's simple. Now we need to do one thing here. We can redirect them to the Porbandar in the map. Okay. So we have completed that true and false for hide and show. Now we need to do one more thing here. Whenever someone click on that button one, so we have to go back. So it's simple. So for that, we just need to use here. But here, see there, because there's one thing. Let me show you. Let me just hide the vertical arrangement false and make it 1 is 2. Vertical arrangement is 2. Now, if I just click on that, suppose the another marker, so this will again show me the again home URL like a Porbandar. So how we can change it? So for that, we will use your condition. So use control and go to the if else. And before this, we are going to use one more thing here. That one is we need to assign some value to the variable. So create just one variable and that name is like place count, and you can mention or you can just assign that to value 0 here. Now whenever someone click on that marker 1, it means any Porbandar place, then we will assign that value, that one value to 1 like this 3. Okay, and whenever someone choose the marker, then we have to get the condition like go to the logic, and if the global count, this one global count value is global count value is 0, it means this one. So global count value is 1. Just make it 1 here, side with. Then 1, then we will call it here. Now this block going to repeat again and again. So that's why we will create the procedure for that. Procedure, just copy paste here, make it here, and call this procedure here. Second time. Simply, now we have to do again for other condition like else if. Then just copy paste this whole thing. Like if the value is 2, like suppose 2, then we have to open another value. So we have to set this. So let me just set this call procedure here. Now for 2, so for that just use here one more place. So you can see whenever someone go to the design and whenever someone click on that marker 2, so go to the block and just copy paste this as it is, and make sure this initialize global is here and change that marker to 2. Whenever someone click on 2, then we have to display another city, suppose Delhi. Copy this, MIT App Inventor, title is Delhi, no more, and about Delhi, I am to use your some words from here, like the message, paste it. Whenever someone click on that marker, so we will set that global value place count to 2, and whenever someone go here, so we will display the Delhi. You can use the URL of Google or you can use the Mac URL also as you wish. Because we are creating a tourist type of app, so we are going to display the direction of that city or that place to the user. So that's why. So new Delhi, I just select and copy that URL from above URL. That's what. Just go to MIT App Inventor and we just need to copy paste that URL here. Simple. One more thing here, like whenever someone choose the any choice, like if someone say okay, no more, so this will automatically go to their home URL in the web view. But if someone say like okay only, they don't want to go, they don't want to know more, so we have to just use one condition here to control this, like let me just use if here and overall if as in the let loop, and we just need to use logic. It's just a nested else it. And if the choice is no more, if the choice is equal to no more, then we will proceed. Otherwise, no. Simple. So if you have some doubt, you can ask one comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.